welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing awesome today. I am going to be doing a review of the MAC Cosmetics Hyper Real Glow Palette today. Just a quick product review for you. This is something I've had in my wish list on ASOS for I think a few months now, and I have really wanted to buy it, and then just ummed and ahed, and now I have got it. I decided to purchase it just because I wanted to do something to do a proper product review, and just look how gorgeous that is. I just could not help myself, and I just really love the look of it, so I thought I'd buy it. I purchased the Shimmy Peach. There are 3 versions of this, I think, for all different skin types and shades. So yeah, this is what we're doing today. I've already done kind of like the base of my makeup. I didn't want this to be too much of a chatty video like some of my other ones. I wanted it to be a bit quicker for you, although here I am chatting away as always. So let's just jump right in, because I just want to show you what this looks like on, test out all 3 of the highlighters on my kind of made up face, and yeah, that's it. So there are 3 shades. So we have Paradise, Shimmy Peach and Glow Baby Glow, which is this goldy shade right here. I'm going to start off with Paradise, which is the more bronzy shade right here, and we're going to pop that using my Brush Junkie highlighter brush. I'm just going to use that on my cheekbones just to first give me a bit of a glow, and I'm going to bring that slightly into my cheek area, but not quite, because I want to put Shimmy Peach here. So I'm just going to bring that further up and kind of contour my face with Paradise. This is going on so nicely. I've just based my face with a tinted moisturiser and my Shape Tape concealer just to cover a few of my acne scars. And that's it, that's all I've got. And then obviously I've got my Vanity nude eyeshadow, which I am obsessed with. Sorry about the lighting, for some reason it's just gone really weird. Sorry, I've just had to turn the light off because it kept flicking in and out, so I'm hoping you get a consistent lighting now for the rest of this part of the video. I'm just going to add that to this side of my face, and that is just still using Paradise. I'm going to bring that down, bring that around, literally like you would do a contour. Just bring that in, just so it goes slightly on my nose as well. So that is the first shade. I really love that. I think that for me is perfect for summer. It gives you like a really nice bronzy like glow. It's not too shimmery, but in person it gives a nice reflection, which I don't think it picks up too well on camera, but in person it's super lovely. For the gold one, which is Glow Baby Glow, I'm just going to pop this in my brow bone. And I'm going to just use an eyeshadow brush for this. I actually finally washed my eyeshadow brushes. This is a really nice warm golden colour as well, so this would be perfect for your cheekbones, but it's also a really nice like brow highlighter. Hello Echo. You can't have any eyeshadow. And it would be quite nice to even pop this all over the lid if you wanted to. I might actually just do that, just to add a bit of shimmer to this glow up. I've got really bad hay fever, and every time I try to film it just seems to get worse. And lastly, I'm going to go in with Shimmy Peach, which is this peachy shade right here. I'm guessing this is the star of the show, being as it's called Shimmy Peach. And I'm going to take this, I'm going to pop this in my cheekbone area, but bring it further into my kind of my cheek area, so when I put my blush on it gives it a really nice dewiness. I'm going to take the same Brush Junkie highlighter, and you can still get 40% off this, by the way, with the code ROX40. It's in my description below. Oh, that's lovely. It's got a bit more of a, I mean that's really glowy. I think it's a bit more like, is pearlescent a word? I feel like it has that like more reflections than the other one. Maybe I just have more on my brush, I don't know. I feel like it really is like a nice dewy colour. I'm going to pop it on my nose as well, and my chin. has got to be my favourite one, I think, because that really does bring your dewiness to life. That's gorgeous. It kind of looks really glossy as well. That's lovely. I'm just going to finish the rest of my makeup and then I will jump back on camera and show you the final look and give you my final thoughts. So this is the final makeup look. I've just put on really minimal mascara just because removing mascara when I actually am not going anywhere is like the worst thing ever, because it's the most irritating product to remove from your face. And I've just added a little bit of like lip liner and that's it. So just really simple, but this is all focused on the highlighter, and I've added a little bit of blusher as well, which has actually really emphasised the shimmy peach highlighter, and I think it's really worked super well. I think it's an amazing highlighter itself. I think all three highlighters are unbelievably stunning. For £36, I think this is probably a little bit pricey, so I think it's more of a luxury product. These are amazing. It's actually a really amazing highlighter palette. I love and will use all three, and that's very rare for me to say for a lot of palettes, I find, because usually there's always one in a palette that you just would never touch. Actually all three work really well on my skin and on my skin tone, and I think it's a really pleasant surprise to have a product, and I know I will probably hit pan on every single one of these, so very excited for that. I love it. I think it's really a great highlighter palette. I'm really happy with my purchase. Hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which I will link here and here. Your support is so much appreciated. You have no idea. Enjoy the rest of your week and I will see you in Sunday's video. Bye!